Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix this issue. We can find your camera error code 0xA00F4244. No cameras are attached. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. Now let's try with the basic one. Just to ensure that the camera access is enabled, click on the start button and go to the settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for privacy and security. Scroll down and under app permissions, you'll find camera. Make sure that the camera access is enabled. Let apps access your camera. This is enabled too, especially for all the applications that needs to access your camera. You can simply turn it on from here. So make sure all of this right here are enabled. Now if that's not the case, then let's go to the next methods. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, if you cannot find your cameras, this one, click on your user name and then you have to click on view. Click on show hidden devices until you can find your cameras. You can also click on your username and click on action and click on scan for hardware changes until you can get your cameras. Now, once you find your camera, you have to make a right click and select update driver. You can go with search automatically for drivers if you are connected to an internet connection. Now, the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. You can also update it manually. Make a right click, select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here, if you have two or three available drivers on your computer, just simply choose one by one as to what will work for you. Click on next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this. And after that, simply check if camera is working. Now let's bring up our camera. And here it is. It has been fixed. Also, in some cases, just simply make sure that your camera is not enabled. I mean like not disabled. So make a right click and then you have to select enable device. Make sure that it's not disabled. Now once done, close this. And then you can also go on with the next method. Type camera in the Windows search bar. Click on app settings on the right pane. Scroll down and make sure that all the permissions from here are enabled. You'll find repair. Click on that. Then click on the reset button. Click on the reset button once again. And after that, let's open our camera if it is working fine this time. And here it is. Camera is working fine. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.